Thanks for visiting Discount Blind Parts. Let me show you how to restring a Comfortex cellular shade. This is the newer style. Pull out the cord lock, slide the rails out. This new style shade uses 1.2 string. Another one that uses 1.2 string would be the Graver crystal pleat and the Bally cellular shade. Most other ones use 0.9 millimeter. Get a bent wire, get a wire, bend it in half, put it through a hole, feed the cord through. Tie a knot big enough so it doesn't slip through the hole at this end. Sometimes it's also good to use a washer above the knot. Got one side through. Pull out extra cord. It's better to have too much than have to restring it again. Slide in the bottom rail. And caps. Head rail. These cord guides, cord lock. You can find all these parts on my website, Discount Blind Parts. This cord lock might be a little tricky. You want to bend back the cap. Comes loose from the top. You want to be careful not to break the cap. Sometimes you'll notice there's a groove in this cord lock. That's normal wear and tear, so you're going to have to order a whole new part to replace it with. This cord lock is universal. It's either going to be a right side or a left side, and depending on which side you need, you'll put these parts on the correct side. To feed the cord through the cord lock. Cord goes underneath the metal swivel tab. Kind of doing it backwards, trying to show you here. Goes around the wheel, underneath the tab, and then this goes, let me see, this will feed under the cord. Like so. Before you slide it inside the before you slide the cord lock inside the head rail, make sure it works so you don't have to slide it out again. Adjust the cords. You're good to go. Thanks for visiting Discount Blind Parts. Have a great day.